I hope you're doing well. I just want to say, hey, if you made it this far, you got through all 12 of the tutorials in the Arduino course for absolute beginners, congratulations. I think you've probably learned a lot if you stuck with the tutorials and if you did those challenges. So there's actually a lot more material after just this what's up on YouTube. If you go to the website, you can go to opensourcehardwaregroup.com/premium, and I do have some other content. It does cost money. You're welcome to check it out though. It's a lot of good stuff. If you liked what you saw here, you're gonna like what continues on. But I'm going to leave you with a challenge. Okay, so this is I think this is actually a really difficult challenge, and I'm going to show it to you real quick. I'm not into gambling, but it is a slot machine, and it was really fun for me to make, and I think you'll have fun making it too. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so here is the slot machine challenge. Okay, are you up to this? It's not easy. It's a doozy. So all you got to do is you press the button, and the slots start rolling. It's like Vegas. Somebody's going to bring you a free drink, and you're trying to get these LEDs to line up in a row. And if they line up in a row, you're a winner. And if they don't line up in a row, you get the little X across. Let's see here. Okay, it might take a while to win. All right, so I have programmed this using all of the functions that you should be familiar with, except for the random function, which you'll have to go on the Arduino website, go to the Arduino reference page, look up the random function, figure out how to use it, and you can employ it. Now, you don't necessarily need the random function. I mean, you could make this have set stakes, you know, like Vegas or something. Oh, I mean, Vegas wouldn't do that. But, so, you know, you've got 3 arrays here. I've got a bunch of if statements, a bunch of loops in there. So that's the challenge. Can you do this? You press the button, they all blink down, they start to slow down, the first column stops, the second column stops, and then the third column stops. You'll have to figure out how to get it to say whether or not you win, how to get it to say whether or not you lose. It's pretty involved. I mean, this is a big project, okay? This is kind of the keystone for the short course if you've signed up for it. So, again, the paper here, enclosure, all there is right here is your breadboard. That's all that is. Nothing special there, just your breadboard. There's a button. I've got most of the wires concealed, but you can see there's the LEDs sticking through. Right in here is where your Arduino is, in here, and then it just hooks up to power with your computer. Again, the enclosure is just a piece of paper. You cut it out, and again, you can download that from the website. You cut it out, fold it up, and there you go. So it's kind of neat. Your kids will love it. And I mean, really, you'll be able to make millions of dollars. You have to check out in your state to see if it's legal to do the whole gambling thing. But really, I mean, okay, so this is how you need to approach this. Okay, this is not, again, I'm going to repeat, this is not easy. You need to take it step by step. So my recommendation would be first to see if you can get an array declared and initialized. See if you can do that. And then see if you can get the array to blink. You know, like in sequence 1, 2, 3, and then see if you can hook up a button so that when you press the button it the array blinks, and then maybe try adding another array and then another array, and just kind of move from there. And then maybe, you know, if you can get all the arrays blinking together like you want, figure out how you might slow them down, and then you know, from there maybe you can figure out the win sequence and the lose sequence. Okay, so you have to break it down step by step. Just take, you know, tiny little steps at a time to try to work towards this outcome, okay? All right, so hey, this is the final challenge. I'm so glad that you made it this far. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have questions as you do the challenge. And again, the course goes on if you want to check out the website and check out those premium courses. So hey, take it easy. I'm so glad that you've come along this far, and take it easy. Bye.